Crafted with breathable neon and black mesh material, the DS763 keeps you cool even on the hottest rides while making sure you stand out on the road. It's bold, it's breathable, and it's built for safety. With its stand-up collar and snap button closure, this jacket is all about the perfect fit and maximum comfort. Safety comes first. Reflective panels ensure you're always visible, even on the darkest roads. Two outside hand pockets with durable YKK zippers give you easy access to essentials. No matter where the road takes you. Sleeve adjustments and cuffs with hook and loop closures ensure a secure fit, keeping you comfortable during every twist and turn. Inside, you'll find a smart access pocket made of heavy-duty textile with built-in holsters and snap closure. Perfect for secure storage. With additional pockets for your cell phone, media, and more, you'll never be disconnected on your rides. Modern technology protectors in the shoulders, elbows, and back keep you safe while staying lightweight and comfortable. The action back and stretch panels give you unmatched freedom and comfort while riding. And when the temperature drops, the zip-out full-sleeve insulated liner has you covered for extra warmth. Every detail is built for the rider. From the reinforced shoulders to the built-in hanging loop. Gear up for safety, comfort, and style with the DS763 Men's High Visibility Racer Mesh Motorcycle Jacket. Shop now at danielsmartmfg.com and experience the difference. The road is waiting. Are you ready?